Hello! Ako nga pala si Rachel. Ito nga pala yung sister ko, yung ate ko, si Ate Joy. And we'll be singing Lucky by Jason Mraz. Sana magustuhan niyo, tsaka sana kami mapili. Ito na. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Do you hear me? I'm talking to you. Across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my, baby, I'm trying.
Boy, I hear you in my dreams. I feel you whisper across the sea. I keep you with me in my heart. You make it easier when life gets hard. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. They don't know how long it takes waiting for love like this. Every time we say goodbye, I wish we had one more kiss. I'll wait for you, I promise you I will. I'm lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed when we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday.
And so I'm sailing through the sea to an island where we'll meet. You hear the music, feel the air. I'll put a flower in your hair.
Though the breezes through the trees, smells so pretty, you're all I see. As the world keeps spinning round, you hold me right here, right now. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday. So, ayun po. Tapos na yung Lucky. So, thank you po. If ever na kami yung mapili. Maraming salamat. Kaya, ayun. Thank you. Once again, I'm Rachel. And this is my sister,
Joy.
Ate Joy. So, bye!
Thank you.
Thank you.